Now in this question we are given with this expression and we need to simplify it. So to simplify it, I'm going to follow this rule. PEMDAS. Here P stands for parenthesis, E exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. So first we'll solve this parenthesis part. So 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 times minus 4 is minus 48. Okay, now next exponents. So here this 6 square will be 36 and minus 4 square will be minus 16. So I'm writing it here now. This is 36, then this is minus sign as it is, and this is